It's that time again. But in this video, it is actually about a little nerf that they did to the BAL 27. And pretty much it's not really a little nerf because it just ruined this gun, the BAL 27. It was a massive nerf. I mean, I'm really glad it happened, but the BAL 27 is no longer the best gun in this game. It is absolute crap now. Well, not really crap, but it's changed a lot, guys, and I'll show you about that in a second. But at the moment, this update, or this little nerf, is just live on 360. So if you have Xbox One, PS4, PS3, go ahead and live up your life while you can, because definitely this will be live soon for you guys. And I have no clue why the 360 got it first, but of course I have the 360, so I have to deal with this stupid nerf. But yeah, guys, so basically the BAL, I'm almost positive damage went down on this gun, because the damage is absolute not anywhere close to where it was now. The kick is insane. And of course, here we go. I'll go ahead and go over and show you guys the before and after effects from the firing range. And of course, here we go, loaded up with the old BAL in the firing range, tested its accuracy. It would go ahead and aim right here in the center and, shoot a little bit, take a little shot out, unload a clip right there in the middle. We pull it back to us, look at it, and basically it is all dead center. It is absolutely insane. There was basically no kick from this gun at all from the original BAL, the factory shipped BAL that came with no nerfs, no patches, just the straight up BAL in general. It was amazing, and it was very overpowered, and I'm pretty sure Sledgehammer realized that, and that is in fact why they released this nerf. And so let's go ahead and go into the firing range for the new BAL. Let's head on over here to test area number 8, load it up, and aim right here in the middle and just shoot. And keep in mind, guys, both of these BALs are just stock. They do not have grip. They do not have any attachments on it. They're just regular BALs. And here we go. After the update that came out on the 360, here is what it looks like. The kick is absolutely insane. From the factory shipped BAL, it was just inside that little gray circle, barely went out at all. There was no difference at all. And now with this new BAL, you shoot straight up. So I definitely would suggest using a grip and toughness and some other aiming ability perks that will help your accuracy and will stop it from shooting up whenever you're shot, or if anybody messes with you or anything like that. So I definitely will have to be doing a new best class setup for the BAL, and keep in mind about this new update, I guess so to say, for the BAL, where they edit, I guess you could say, where they changed how the BAL worked and the kick and the accuracy and just everything on it. Guys, the BAL, I'm gonna have to say, is no longer the best gun in the game. As I said earlier, now I'm gonna have to go with either the AK-12 or the HBRA-3. So, guys, I'm definitely going to have to be doing a best class setup for those guns. Definitely going to have to be making more commentaries and updating you guys on this. And I also have to make a video about the EM1, because that, I'm almost 100% positive, got a massive buff, because it is absolutely crazy. The gun is amazing now. Everybody's using it in public matches, and no more is the BAL being used. It's just pretty much the EM1, which is absolutely crazy. And also, I haven't really mentioned this, but I am in fact sponsored by No Scope Gaming Glasses, and my link will be down in the description below to go purchase some, and I believe you get a 5% discount in the store whenever you use my discount code or you use my link. And yeah, guys, so go ahead and go there if you'd like some cool gaming glasses. They're extremely awesome. They're amazing. They stop your eyes from straining. And I know for a fact, I sit in front of a computer or a TV for a long time, during the day, and they definitely help me out. See, that's about it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, drop a like down below. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you all in the next one.